recently din, na-experience ko din talaga yan na especially yun nga, we go back to comparison, especially with social media and how easy it is to make it in the entertainment industry because you could just go viral once and then, you're kind of set. So it's easy to compare yourself to people who are, meron pa nga much, much younger than us who are, yung parang are already where we want to be.
Yes.
Pero what you said is really making me think na at the end of the day, when I think about where I am and what I'm doing, I still love it.
Yeah. And I think isa rin parang you wanna start that project. Like, gusto mo mag-artista, gusto mo mag-podcast, gusto mo mag-content. But I think ang hindi na realize ng ibang tao, mas mahirap yung staying power. Maintaining that.
Yes,
or continuing to do the podcast, to pursue yung love mo for performing. Parang it's one thing to get it started, but feeling ko, it takes so much more work to be able to commit to it and not quit because it is, hindi naman the odds are against you, but because competition is stiff, parang you're really gonna have to be very creative on how to stand out. So, Kaya ako rin sinabi kanina, simulan mo na yung project kasi ang mas kailangan trabahuhin is yung staying and committing to that project you've been wanting to do.
Yeah, kasi lagi ka na lang next time na lang, ganito. Hanggat sa hindi mo na yun magawa, kaya kung ako sa'yo, simulan mo na yan. Huwag ka na mag-procrastinate. Alam mo, yan din yung sinabi ng isa ko pang kaibigan eh. Sabi pa niya sa akin, ay, kung ako sa'yo, wag ka muna bumili ng parang impatient ka. Gusto mo na talaga bilhin yung camera. Oo, sa camera. Sabi ko, hindi
camera na yan,
Camera na yan.
Kaya sabi ko, hindi kailangan ko na siyang makuha ngayon para masimulan ko na yung pag-take ng magandang photos para maganda na consistent ng maganda yung Instagram feed ko.
Tapos mamaya kukunin mo na yung camera.
Correct! So, bukas na bukas, abangan.
Quarter life crisis solved.
Oo, diba? Because this is what they say, okay? You have to be obsessed with what you wanna achieve para makamit mo talaga siya. Nandun yung focus mo. Because if you're not obsessed, girl, walang mangyayari sa'yo. Like example, gusto mo ng healthy living, diba? Gusto mo maging healthy, gusto mo maging fit. Hindi mo maa-achieve yun, yung fullest potential mo, pag hindi ka obsessed. Hindi ka obsessed sa craft mo, wala, superficial lang, hindi ka gagaling dyan. So, you have to be obsessed talaga. And you have to do it right away. Bahala na.
May araw ka rin! Ayop ka!
Diba?
Mabalik lang natin sa conversation on age and perspective. I agree na dapat you're obsessed. Like, you're so committed and passionate about it. But I think when you reach your 30s, mas ma-realize mo, teka, okay lang naman akong ma-obsess or maging committed, pero sana na-enjoy ko pa rin yung proseso.
But you have to, enjoy.
You have to, or else mapapakwit ka na lang kung ano man yung pinupursue mo,
yun
diba?
nga yung sabi nila, dapat i-enjoy mo yung journey, yung process na yun. Hindi agad result yung iniisip mo. You have that goal, but before you even achieve that goal, dapat ini-enjoy mo yung ladder towards it. Yun and that's the beauty of life. Kasi towards that journey, may ups and downs ka
Tama.